Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for March the 30th to April the 6th. Another great week over at Walgreens. We have $1.99 Arm & Hammer, $2 Shea Moisture deodorant, which is a really great product, $1.50 Dove shampoo, and exceptionally cheap toothpaste from both Crest and Colgate. So the first order of business is to go into your digital coupons folder. Look at the very top. A lot of us received this as April is right around the corner. This is a make 6 purchases of $40 and get back $25 in Walgreens cash. Just load it. You never know. You might achieve it. You might not. You have a month to do that. And then we also have this guy that's still lurking in our account, which is a 7 back when you spend 30, valid right till April the 14th. And it's more than a one-time use as well. While you're in the store, make sure that in the deodorant and shampoo aisles, you're looking for these tear pads. Lots of very valuable new products with tear pad coupons have been popping up at most stores. So grab one or two or none, depending how you roll with that, but they are all over the store. You might want to grab one. So as Sunday, March the 31st will be Easter Sunday, probably on April the 1st, which is April Fool's, it'll be 50% off of the Easter merchandise. My question to you is, are you shopping on Easter Sunday? Please treat this video as a preview. All of the digital coupons along with the full ad will be published on Sunday, March the 31st. Okay, so the first item that we're going to look at is the $1.99 Arm & Hammer Laundry Care. So the pods and the scent beads are probably included in that. The week previous, they were on a promotion of buy one, get two for free, but $1.99 is just a little bit cheaper than that promotion. Look for it in the regular laundry care aisle or these side caps where you see my big hamburger helper hand pointing at it. You'll find them merchandise closer to the front of the store. They want just regular shoppers to grab them to see, oh, $1.99, I need to grab everything. So let's just say you wanted to grab 6. That would be $11.95. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $1.94. I would also keep checking IBOTTA as the week marches on. They had 2 different rebates, $1 back for the scent beads and then $2 back for the scent beads, and then they took it away. But if the manufacturer decides to bring it back, there might be some rebates as the week marches on. And remember, you're doing this deal with no booster if you're using Walgreens cash. For all the newer couponers out there, we have 4 for $10 or $2.50 for Bounce, Downy, Gain, Tide Simply Laundry Care. It is a second tier than the red Tide products, but still, if you're a newer couponer and you want to stock up on like the Gain fabric softener or those dryer sheets, a very respectful deal. I would probably use Walgreens cash as well to get a lesser out of pocket if you have it on your account. Now this deal, I'm just kind of like guessing maybe we're going to get $3 coupons for the Gillette and the Venus razors, but we'll have to wait until Sunday morning to see if that'll happen. And if it does, it's going to make this deal absolutely spectacular. So this is one you're going to have to keep a watchful eye out for on Sunday morning moving forward. But grabbing both a men and a women's at $7.99, that would be $15.98. If we get $3 coupons for both, we would pay $9.98 out of pocket, get back an $8 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per razor. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but the way it's written, it's to buy 2, get that $8 register reward. And Sunday morning, will we have these $3 coupons? Typically, they always pop up whenever this offer is there. We will have to double, triple check on Sunday morning, as this video is a preview. The next deal that we're looking at is the $3 Crest or Oral-B products. $3 reward when you buy 2, along with a 5 off 3 digital coupon. That is a very generous one. So grabbing 3 of the Crest products at $3 a pop, that is $9. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back one $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 3 or 33 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. You're just doing a deal, rolling that Walgreens cash to get that register reward. So just a neat and tidy little deal for some very cheap Crest or Oral-B products priced at $3. Now, this next product, we have a newer product for the Shea Moisture deodorant. It's going to be priced at $10, and then we get a $10 register reward when you spend $20. We have a $3 off digital coupon. Plus, if you go to ShopMe, there's another $3 rebate, so make sure you have that one loaded. Here's the math for this one. Two of those Shea Moisture deodorants is $20 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $17 with your debit card. As the verbiage of this offer is to spend a certain amount to get that $10, I would pay with your debit card, get back a $10 register reward, photograph your receipt for an extra $3 back from ShopMe. It's $4 for the two or $2 per deodorant. That's upwards of $10. Like, yes. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, but what a deal. Okay, so now we're looking for the Old Spice body wash priced at $7 a pop. We're going to have another 5 off 3 digital coupon along with a $5 register reward when you buy 3. Now, IBOTTA is giving back $5 when you buy 3 of the Pure Sport body wash. So right smack dab at 12 o'clock, that's the one we're looking for, that specific body wash. Finding 3 of those, it's going to be $21. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for another $5 back. $6 for the 3 or $2 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you could track down 3 of those sports and this is something that you like, I would definitely stock up for very inexpensive Old Spice. Head & Shoulders is back at $6. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon along with a $3 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the cheaper shampoos, that's going to be $12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back one $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per Head & Shoulder. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And then the next deal that we're looking at is with the Dove shampoo, and this is probably the shampoo deal of the week. We're looking for 2 of them at $4 a pop. We're going to have one $2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2, that's going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $6 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And check ShopMe on Sunday morning if there might be a $2 coupon. It might be even cheaper. And now we're looking at the Colgate products at $4.50. $4 register reward when you buy 2 along with a similar coupon. Grabbing 2 of these products for $9, 2 products at $4.50, subtracting that 4 off 2 digital, you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, this promotion to spend $35, get back a $10 register reward on both the Scott's toilet paper is still ongoing right till April the 27th. Now, I will say that Huggies is part of this, and Huggies will be 2 for $21 starting on Sunday, but I don't know the digital coupons that are attaching. That is one deal that we're going to have to investigate a little bit more. If you're a parent in search of Huggies diapers, the different varieties that they have, we might have a deal. And I know that this is also attaching to the I think it's like $2.59 baby wipes as well by Huggies. So we're definitely going to have to take a look at that Sunday morning. Honorable mentions for you guys. We have the Captain Crunch at $1.99. I know there were some IBOTTA rebates, like 30 cents back, floating in and out, but it's since vanished, but it might reappear. This is a very good price for this cereal, and $1.99, fantastic. We also have the snack trail mix by Nice, which is a Walgreens brand. This magic trail mix, before the pre-diabetes stuff, I used to love to have this in the car. It was just a really fantastic mix of like trail mix and the M&Ms. It's perfectly blended. If you're on a road trip, get one of these for $1.78 if you can stomach it. I can't anymore. We have 3 for $13.99 with the Pepsi. This is probably the cheapest price I've seen in a couple of weeks, so if you need to stock up, it's not a bad price point. With Easter, I thought they would drop it down to $9.99, but they didn't. I guess Pepsi needs to make that Pepsi money. And the final item at $5.99 is the Dunkin' Donuts K-Cups. You get 10 in this package. 59 cents per. Very good stock up price. If you have a Keurig and you love coffee, I would definitely stock up. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.